Ito nga, no, in preparing for the big one, ito lang masasabi ko. We are trying our best to make the agencies concerned prepared, no, in terms of manpower, resources, equipment para sa big one. Ngayon, we have to do that continuously together with the public in terms of educating the public kung anong gagawin pag nangyari sa gabi, pag-araw, yung mga mga SOPs. So tuloy-tuloy po 'yan. We can never be sure kung we can never be 100% prepared, no? Ang pwede lang natin gawin is one, to practice yung ating plano, i-improve yung plano, and just really anticipate, no? Itong mga events na ito, for us also is one way of parang practice na rin. Can you imagine if this happened sa Metro Manila gabi, no? Nung nangyari nga ito kagabi, I have to rush back here para lang to check what's going on, no? Yun nga, naisip ko yan, no? What if dito na yan nangyari? And ngayon, we are trying to to check yung system ngayon na kung kailangan ba ng international assistance, anong gagawin. So, iyon, inahanda na namin. So, practice na rin, no? So, continuous lang siguro. Ang masasabi ko, continuous education, continuous lang ang ating preparation para sa big one, hoping that it will never happen during our lifetime.